Alright, it's a beautiful Sunday morning here in South Louisiana, and today I'm doing the barrel test on restore number 85. Customer brought me these two motors. He was trying to make one good one out of it and was having trouble making it work, so I got it put together for him. It's a 1993 Johnson 15 horsepower J15 RC-NC. So I found that this motor had no compression on one cylinder, which was part of the problem, and this motor had a clogged carburetor and a spark plug that was crushed. The pins were crushed, so it wasn't causing no spark. So took the carburetor off of this one and cleaned her up, put her in here, put new plugs. He had bought a new fuel pump, so I added that to it. And here's some of the spares off of the other motor that didn't make the grade. So I've already started her this morning and ran her, so this is going to be a warm start. Let's see how she runs. Feeling real good. Changed the impeller and the gear change and put new gear on. Runs really nice. Idles down really low. Kill switch works. She idles down really low. I did replace the impeller. Pressure test the lower unit, which passed 7 pounds overnight pressure, and change the gear oil. I think I'm gonna throw in a free paint job for him. I'll show you pictures of that later on. Nice little restore so far. We're doing it one motor at a time here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.